that funny? You're gonna be able to eat? You know, you're laughing so much. How are we gonna be able to eat? You have to eat it. You're gonna laugh. It's gonna be all over the place. Okay, Daddy will do one more time. Okay? Ready? It's funny. Here. Oh, ho, ho. Oh. Oh, not the whole bowl. Not the whole bowl. No, give it back to Daddy. Come on, that's a good girl. No. Daddy's gonna feed you. Here. Here. Well, if you hold it, Daddy can't make that sound. Oh. We can't just put our face in the bowl. There you go. Oh. What? Oh. Can Daddy have the spoon back? No. Not the bowl. Not the bowl. Okay, let's put the bowl here. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, it's a nice bite, eh? Is it funny? What? What does it taste like? Mango. Mango and apples.
Open wide. Does he not like it or something?
Yes, sir, Chuck Duncan. This elephant is very important. You must be very careful. When Duncan saw the elephant, he was surprised. Why, it's only a statue, he said. This is an easy job. You must wait for the brake van, said the station master. This statue is very heavy. Nonsense, puffed Duncan to his driver. I've pushed heavier loads than this plenty of times. Let's go, Duncan, said his driver. But we must be careful. So they left, but without the brake van. But Duncan wasn't careful. He was impatient. We'll show them how fast I can be, Duncan whistled. We'll deliver to this statue, and I'll still finish first. Duncan started to speed up. Soon, Duncan was going as fast as his wheels could carry. His driver was starting to worry, so he tried to brake. But Duncan was out of control. He was scared. He had never gone this fast. People waved, and cars tooted as Duncan sped by. Suddenly, a tractor trundled across Duncan's line. Look out! Shouted his driver.